Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is online and unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Open Google Pay and tap your profile avatar in the top right corner so you can see which account is active. If the account you want isn't available, go to Device Settings, Accounts, and Add It Now. Make sure sync is on. Once the new account is added, return to Google Pay and reopen the profile menu so the app recognizes the newly added account. Now focus on switching. Tap the profile avatar and scan the account list that appears. You should see all Google accounts added to your device. Tap the one you want to use. Google Pay may ask you to confirm identity with your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Complete that step so payment credentials load. Once switched, check that your cards and payment methods appear under Payments and that transaction history corresponds to the selected account, ensuring you're operating in the right profile. Finish by confirming default payment method and NFC/contactless settings so transactions use the right account. If a linked card doesn't show, remove and re-add it under payment methods. This refreshes verification tokens. If switching fails or the app shows sync errors, sign out of Google Pay, then sign back in, or reboot the device to clear temporary issues. As a last resort, update the Google Pay app from the Play Store. This addresses bugs that prevent account switching or verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.